Namaskar. I am Oishani Bhattacharjee, a young Odissi dancer from Kolkata, disciple of Sangeet Natak Academy awardee Guru Srimati Shutapa Talukdar. I started learning Odissi from when I was 6 years of age. That is in 2010, when my mother got me into this institution of my guru, South Gurukul Society. I was a little kid back then and did not understand all the nuances of the dance form. Just enjoyed dancing, hence attended my classes. I liked the Lasya Bhav of this dance form. Somehow this Lasya Bhav attracted me. Currently, I'm learning Odissi under my Guru Srimati Shutapa Talukdar in the style of Guru Shishya Parampara, and I've been learning under her for the past 14 years. I'm going under vigorous training now. I'm also a solo performer. In 2023, I ranked first in Odissi at the talent search contest that was organized by the Dover Lane Music Conference and the Dover Lane Music Academy.
Position in Odissi, Oishani is receiving the Prabhat Kumar Das Memorial Challenge Trophy as the best dancer.
I have also ranked third in the dance competition organized by West Bengal State Music and Dance Academy. Few of my solo performances include the Evening of Hindustani Classical Music and Dance Festival organized by the Dover Lane Music Conference and the Dover Lane Music Academy, Nritya Naveen Young Dancers Festival, Nritya Mela Dance Festival, Kolkata Odissi Utsav, guest performance at IIT Kharagpur, guest performance at BESCON 2022 that was organized jointly by IIT Kharagpur and Bose Institute of Kolkata, and many more. I have been fortunate enough to assist my guru at various workshops that had been conducted by her, and I am also a trainer at her institution. My desire to pursue dancing as my profession began from when I was 14 years old. Because when I was 14, my guru rather pushed me to apply for the gradation examination of Eastern Zonal Cultural Center. But the minimum age criteria for applying for the gradation was from 18. So I was little skeptical. Still, I did a solo video shoot and I took a recommendation letter from my guru along with my application and performance videos, and I had submitted it to EZCC, that is Eastern Zonal Cultural Center. They allowed me to sit for the examination. That was a rare choice, a rare option that I was granted, and I feel extremely blessed and I feel extremely lucky, and I thank EZCC for giving me this opportunity. They had allowed me to sit for the examination. When I went to give my exam, I was definitely the youngest among all because the minimum age was 18 and I was just 14. I was scared, but I did not think too much. I went, I gave my exam, I performed in front of 5 or 6 eminent judges, and then when the result came, I saw that I got an A grade, not an A plus, but an A grade, which was something huge for me because I was a very young girl back then at the age of 14. Getting A gradation from EZCC was something very huge. Soon after that, EZCC had sent me along with few other artists. They had created a collaborative group and they had sent us to Bolpur Shantiniketan for a performance. That is when my desire, my inclination to pursue this started gradually. And then I had applied to perform my solo at Uttarpara Shongi Chakra Dance Festival. My guru, she insisted me that you apply and see what happens. I had sent an application in 2016, and in 2017 I received a call from them that you have been selected to perform a 40 minutes recital at our prestigious festival. I was on cloud 9 because that was the first time that I would be performing a 40 minutes recital on stage. I was very tensed. I went up to my guru, I said, she was very happy. She started training me for my performance. I prepared 3 pieces and I performed a 40 minutes recital on 11 June. I remember the date because that was my first solo on stage. It was 11 June 2017. After my performance, I got unexpected appreciation from the audience, by which I was so overwhelmed, started crying. There was this journalist, I remember, who came backstage after my performance. He came to the green room and he was so overwhelmed and he was saying such appreciative words, and I had no expectation and I did not imagine that someone would say all these to me. That was the first time. I still have a photo with me where I'm holding my felicitation. I am holding the gifts that I got and my memento and everything and the flowers, and he has kept his hand on my head, and there are tears all over my shirt, all over my face. I was so happy. I still have that photo. So from that day I thought, maybe this is what I want. Maybe the audience, the feel on the stage when I am on stage, the feeling that I get when I perform solo, capturing hundreds of minds and hearts. I thought to myself, maybe this is what I want. And from that phase, my desire, my passion to pursue Odissi dance as my profession started. And I am saying this to all young children out there who are of my age or younger to me. Classical dance or classical music, these things change you in a better way. This has changed me in a better way. Classical dance has made me a wiser person. It has made me understand the deep-rooted wisdom, the deep-rooted mythology. It has helped me to perceive everything differently. It has helped me, it has taught me dedication. It has taught me discipline. It has taught me that hard work pays off. Not everything depends on luck. Luck is a factor, definitely, I feel. It's completely my personal opinion. Luck is a factor, but hard work pays off. And days and days after days, if you work hard, if you put your mind, your heart, your soul into something, you get that satisfaction. And there's no big satisfaction than pursuing your own passion as your profession. Everyone can do a 9-to-5 job, but at the end of the day, you might feel frustrated. Even if the subject is of your personal choice. But if you pursue your passion as your profession, then there is this void that is filled at the end of the day. The satisfaction that you feel. You know, I am doing something every day that I love. I absolutely love. And that is the most important thing in life. There's nothing more important than that. The satisfaction, the job satisfaction that you get. The entire team of Talented Odisha is doing a wonderful job by creating such a beautiful platform to spread the culture of Odisha and to make people aware, especially the young ones, aware of their culture and tradition, and to inspire them to take up cultural activities. I thank the entire team of Talented Odisha for inviting me today to speak about my journey as a young classical dancer and to spread awareness and to spread inspiration to the young generation to take up classical dance, especially Odissi, in my preference as their profession.
गण नायक চতুর্ভুজে শোভা